Welcome to the library website. We have remote services available anywhere you're studying. You can find our homepage at nbcc.libguides.com, which you can see here at the top of the page. First, we have a few highlighted and new resources that you can check out. All of these boxes are links. Then we have our program guides. These will be very useful to you once you start any projects or assignments. Click on your area of study and then on your program to see our recommendations. First, we have research databases for your program. This is where you can find published articles for your assignments. Next, we have ebooks. There are tons of ebooks that you can read online or download. Some of your required reading might be available here. We also have recommended websites for your program and films that you can stream online. Some of them are related to your program, and there are some films for entertainment that you might want to check out. Let's go back to the home page by clicking on the logo. We also have essential skills guides here, and these can help you with things like writing a paper, searching for books or articles, as well as citing your sources. It's okay if you're not familiar with those things yet. We'll have more videos and instructions to help. You can also submit a question to us by clicking on the Get in Touch button over here and filling out our form. We'll email you back as soon as we can, so don't hesitate to get in touch.